So this is the same one that's in the sheet that's on the Google site. And as you can see, I've already put the 6's in because that's the one that we're going to focus on. But you can obviously do your own. So I'm just going to do the first one. So 1 times 6, well, of course, we know that that's 6. And so 2 times 6 is the same as 6 doubled. So we can write this in here. So double 6 is 12. So we could put our answer in as 12. And then we've got 3 times 6. And if we follow the steps here, it says, which is the answer to 1 times 6? And that equals 6. Added to the answer of 2 times 6, which equals 12. So we can say 6 plus 12, and that's 18. So we know that 3 times 6 is 18. Now we're going to go 4 times 6. So that's the answer to 2 times 6. That's one we're working on doubled. So we go back up to 2 times 6. It says it's 12. So double 12 is 24. 5 times 6 is going to be the same as 10 times 6, which is 60, but halved. So half of 60 equals 30. So 5 times 6 equals 30. So now we look at 6 times 6. Well, we know that that's the same as 1 times 6 add 5 times 6. So if 1 times 6 is 6 and 5 times 6 is 30, because we've already worked those two out, so 30 plus 6 equals 36. So now we look at 7 times 6. So what is 2 times 6? Well, we've already done it, so we can check up there, it's 12. 5 times 6, again, we've already done it. It was 30, so 5 times 6 is 30. So we can say that 12 added to 30 is our answer, and that's 42. And so 7 times 6 is 42. If we look at 8 times 6, it's the same as the answer to 4 times 6 doubled. So what is 4 times 6? If we go back over, it says it's 24. So double 24 is 48. 9 times 6. So this is the same as what is 10 times 6? That's 60. And then 1 times 6 is 6. So 60 minus 6 equals 54. So 9 times 6 is 54. And for 10 times 6, we've just added an O after the number, 6. So that's become 60. 11 times 6, it's the same as 10 times 6, which is 60, plus 1 times 6, which is 6. So it's 60 plus 6, and that equals 66. And then the last one is 10 times 6, which is 60, plus 2 times 6, which is 12. So 60 add 12 equals 72. So our answer here is 72. Remember that there are other ways to learn the times tables, and if this helps you learn your times tables or some of those tricky ones, like 8 times 6, or 7 times 6, or 9 times 6, then use the knowledge you have to help you. Okay, good luck.